Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Thursday. And we're at the 13th of April, 2023, the time about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. So, had some interesting economic data. Let's go to that and then we'll talk. Producer price indexes. Now take a look. Final demand, down 0.5%. They expected it flat. The price index itself up 0.1. They expected it up 0.2. Consumption down 0.4. This is a good report. Next, I know it sounds terrible, but you were up 11,000 and the jobless claims at 239. That's good. The market needs to see this climb. That gets the Fed off our back, and maybe they go into a pause come June. They're not going to, in my opinion, come the May report. Continuing claims, down 13,000. So you're getting the new ones come in. Those that had been on it, they're getting their jobs. That's what you still have. The energy analysts are looking for the EIA natural gas storage to show an increase of 27 billion cubic feet. That's in line with the averages. China came out with great data today. Their exports, big time. So their economy roaring again. I don't know if you looked at what's going on with LVMH, the stock. It's like up 5% in Europe. It's just firing on all cylinders, absolutely adding crazy. People are buying luxury goods in Asia. That's what's going on there. So when we come to our markets, what's happening now is the dollar is starting to lock into that downtrend. You know, I did that special report 2 weeks ago or so now that I thought that was going to happen, and we're getting to it. I'm watching what's going on with the gasoline. Now, I've got up here the June. I think I should go back to the May. I think that that's the better month that we should be tracking. You're down about 4 cents in both, getting back into some areas that could find the support in the market. A mixed bag in the corn and the beans. They're trying the upside while the wheat is looking weaker. And in the bonds and notes, you're getting another form of a rally. Why? The producer prices didn't put pressure on the market. So is this going to do the job where the long-term end of the curve yield starts saying, the Fed isn't going to keep going. They're going to get into the pause quicker than you think. I don't buy for a moment that we're going into a pivot anytime soon, but I have an open mind on it. You know, come the last quarter of the year, who the heck knows where you'll be? That's too far to see down the road for me. But immediately through the summer, nah, that I can see. There's no way. The Fed needs to get quarter upon quarter, couple of quarters here, where they can see that, okay, you're pushing things down. Do I think they'll get back to the 2% number? No. It would take a super hard recession. I don't see that coming. I see a recession, but not a super hard recession coming. And in Europe, here's the issue. You've got gasoline prices, you've got Brent, you've got WTI, all the energy components because of OPEC up. Now, OPEC put out their report today, and it's going to keep prices relatively high. That's going to keep the Eurozone on increased interest rates to fight the inflation. We, on the other hand, are talking pause already, and that starts giving a bid to a number of these currencies. So there's some interesting plays here. Number one, this is all bullish for the gold and the silver market. Even copper off the Chinese news is getting a good bid because if they're doing better export business, they're going to be consuming copper. So you put it together, starting to get a bit rosier picture, at least right today. Now, remember that we're going to have the live webinar today. That will come out for you. I'll open it at 12:15. I am not putting up the ad or the link. Again, we're full. Okay, we do fill out, believe it or not. So if you haven't registered, maybe there's a seat or two. I wish you the best in getting it. I don't know if there is. But if you want to get my morning subscriber video and see what we do at 5:15 in the morning, where the buys and the sells, the orders come in, we track them in that as well. So you're able to see what we do, why, see the trade unfold, the chart action as to why. Everything's right there. You can watch it on your tablet, on an iPhone. You can watch it on your PCs. It all works through there. How do you get this? It's pretty simple. You can go to our website under iraepstein.com under free offers. That's where you go for that. You can click up here for free offers. That'll take you there as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great day. I will catch you all. Again, 12:15, I'll open up the live webinar. 12:30, I talk. It's over at 12:50. Don't be late. That's Central Time. Take care.